Today is my mom's birthday, so I'm going to be making her a cake. Now we can melt our chocolate and our butter together. Now that the chocolate and butter have melted, we can let it cool. Now we can throw these in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Now while our cakes are baking, we'll make the icing. We're going to start with 5 sticks of butter.